Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by exposing the pole base so you can see what anchors it. First, shut off nearby power and mark utilities, safety first. Next, dig a 6 to 12-inch trench around the post to reveal soil, concrete, or a sleeve. Use penetrating oil on any rusty bolts and brush away soil. This reduces binding. Once the base is visible, test for movement by rocking the pole. This tells you whether you're dealing with a driven pipe, concrete footing, or removable sleeve. You now focus on freeing the pole from its anchors. If bolts secure a base plate, use a breaker bar and socket. Cut through any rusted bolts with a reciprocating saw. When the pole sits in concrete, chisel away the perimeter a couple inches to break the bond, then lever with a pry bar. Tapping the post helps. For sleeve-mounted posts, insert a wood block and hammer upward repeatedly to rise the pole out. Keep checking for hidden fasteners and trim any internal crossbar. You complete removal by extracting the pole cleanly and restoring the site. Attach a chain high on the pole and use a winch or leverage from a vehicle and fulcrum to lift straight up. Avoid bending. Once removed, backfill the hole with compacted gravel for drainage or pour concrete if you'll replant a post. Make sure you slope the fill away from the area to prevent pooling. If the pole refuses to budge, you can apply focused heat to welded joints or drill relief holes in concrete to weaken the footing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.